Yeah, so we're gonna upgrading, new grills. Money'S Car Stero supplied that. Get that radio up out of there. We started deconstruction, getting the old radio out, getting the JP sound stuff out, J&M sounds out. You know, I should say a complete makeover. Gonna bring him into the new world with a Bluetooth, USB capabilities. Yeah, that black show is shiny. OG know what he was doing look like. That's what I'm talking about. Anyway, let's keep moving forward. Just letting you see what I see. Blow by blow. You know how I go. First initial turn on. Gonna run through a few songs and see what sounds, well, not for sounds, what adjustments need to be made, if any. Money'S Car Stero. Just letting you see what I see. It ain't over. It ain't over. Let's keep on pushing forward. That's right. I was sitting here and I saw a little phenomenon with the gauge on the bike. Watch this, y'all.
Like God, I know. I want to take away oxygen. Shorty won't get on her knees. I see him in her cheeks and regrow collagen. I was over East Town. I done been around work. Rich deal with the shit. It's hate to be around your girl. When they eating, I'm on the interstate. Wholesale, quick, real, when the ghetto play on me. A demon out to pull up in a head. Can't long way away with his sleeping on my head, man. They fight the rain, same place I went to jail at Carolina Street where I was supposed to get jails at. Touchdown, in the jet, still up. In the six, airfield, no clue. This not DBS. Bust down with the six, skirt round, DBS. I done got a TV show and need to be on DBS. When I started on call, she gon' see me, yeah. I'm retarded, I'm gon' see me, yeah. Redo a nickel funnel with a half-piece trap lead. Yes, Lord, working like an athlete. Out of 10 diamonds, I forgot what all wear ring. Big booty, white bitch, looking at me, staring ring. Catch a vibe in Atlanta, run a couple earrings. Baby girl, stick it out, put it in the air, please. I'm a ship setting sail, oh ho, what you wear? I just got a labor check. I'ma get 100 bail. Out Carolina, trying to come and get a 20 back, get him with 100.
We're gonna button this up. Pretty much stick a fork in this because this is pretty much done. Money'S Car Stero. Keeping it pushing. Now, hey y'all, it's pickup day. Hey man, hop up on there and turn that on, man. See what you're working with. It's early in the morning because we be having things to do around here.
I've been pulling up in the drop house with the baddest bitches. Young nigga been focused on my check. Got a new coupe wrapped around my neck. Trying to put the water on my potato. I got killers to the left of me.
It plays good on all stuff. Like I like this song too. When she start just go on one, they have a slow build up, but when she go in it, yeah, bitch, I love you, bitch. I was like, ugh. The key thing is you play your music to stay clear. That's the whole goal.
Say, nigga, I don't wanna talk. Meet me at the bank, show me what you really bout. Niggas ain't real when the shit really count. That's why I keep my little cat in they mouth. Say, bitch, I don't gotta care. Everything I talk, yeah, I really did that. If you want.
Check the bag work out, man. Check the bag work. Wow. I'll tell you, the goal is be loud and clear. Wow. We ain't worried about all that bass. The bass is gonna be, it's gonna be even. They're gonna be, they're gonna hear what you're saying, and all that. Everything. So we carved you up. Got your disconnect right there. Just one click and you out of there. Yeah. Same on the other side. It's a 2-click over there. But pop the bag over, man. What you got in that bag, man? Says you needed a 4X. I'm accommodating everything up from large to 4X nowadays. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So put you in the game. Money'S Car Stero. And we in there. We in there. That's right. What that channel tag? Oh yeah, that's one in Pro Club. That's a real one. That's a real one. That's a real one. Sure. Yeah, right there, y'all. Yeah. Check your other side out. Let me tell you how it work over here. Okay, so it's simple. Nice. All you have to do is 2 hands. One hand here, one hand. Pull that one loose. Press the button right there.
Okay.
If it ever hangs up on you, this little tab right here sometimes will hang up. Just bend that little tab back up because that's part of the locker mechanism.
Yeah.
And that's pretty much it. One-stop shop, easy peasy. You know.
I'm satisfied.
Much better than them tan bags you're looking at the inside. You know what I'm saying?
Man, yeah.
Well, yeah. Get your phone and we'll figure out how the Bluetooth hooks up to it and stuff. And we'll get you in there, man. Get you in and out the door. 'Cause I know you want to get out here. Even though it's cold, but I know you just like, nigga, I need to see what this do. I'm gonna ride this. Money's Car Stero. Just letting you see what I see. Does it work for you, my man?
Satisfied.
Hey,
Thank you.
There you go. There you go. We out of there.